terrible.
拉出来以后，中共手以后，
Nokia, iPhone, Oppo, and Samsung, Oppo, and Vivo. And you can see the y-axis people, the hot afterward iPhone, the long wrist action were Nokia. Not even their iPhone is 32% down of all because I thought
中共
the
的确证
iPhone is very popular in now.